Alright, boys, this is like the third upload of the day. I don't know why, I just have a lot of free time since we're in quarantine and all that. So I thought I would make another Roblox video, but this is not on Murder Mystery 2. Hold on, I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap after this video. Anyway, we're gonna be playing some Piggy on Roblox. So I wanna go and chapter 1 now. Oh, yeah, where are you going? I'm going to chapter 1. On Metro? Okay. So anyway, I've been playing this game for like a while, but I've never really intentionally played it. I've seen YouTubers play it. So yeah, so today I'm going to be trying this out. So I know what to expect. Now we're going to buy it. No, we're going to buy it. No, guys, it's a tie. Not anymore, suckers. I don't know, we want to buy it. Let's go, buy it. Okay. So yeah, so that's what we will be doing. We're trying money on. What the hell? Oh crap, I just cursed. Bless God. We're almost out of here. We just need to rest a little. Don't worry, bunny. We're getting out of here. So I know to expect this like a campaign story mode game with a Peppa Pig. It's kind of like Peppa Pig. Kind of like Worker Peppa Pig. So we need to get this girl to escape, but I already know what happens because I've seen like I searched up on YouTube all cutscenes to the game, so I don't know what happens to her. But since if you guys are watching, you guys never know what happened. I will not spoil it for you. Since we are versing a bot, we do have an advantage. So all of these people here are not Piggy; they're all actual with us on our team. Since since we're actually just playing. Oh, she won't go. So that means we're versing a bot. That means he can. Oh my! Close the door. Freak. That's one scary looking pig. Holy crypto. Oh, that's a scary pig. Okay. So yeah. We'll be keeping our eyes out on Mr. Ugly Pig. So looks like we made our way down to the I don't know, subway? I don't know. We need a hammer for that. I'm following this guy, he knows where everything is, so I'm just gonna follow him. Piggy? Hello? Hello? Piggy? Oh! Crap, scared. Oh! I'm not following him anymore. I think he just wants to lead me to death. Yeah, we can oh yeah, everyone run the other way. Run upstairs. Ah! Ah! Wait, close the door. Close the door! Whoa, that did not sound really pleasant. Oh god. Whew, that was scary. I'm scared. Oh, I need a key card. Fudge. Fudge. Gotta go find that key card. Oh my gosh, so I got the blue key, boys. But I know the hammer and I know where the hammer is, though. But Piggy is over there. So I was about to go get it, but then Piggy came into the... Okay, he has the crossbow. Shoot that bee. Shoot the... Okay, that's the purple key. Shoot the beach ball. Yeah. We need to care for that girl, whatever her name is. I don't care what her name is. Red key. I'm trying to figure out where the red key goes. The wrench. Okay, I know where the wrench goes. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna go get the wrench. No, I'm going for the hammer. That's our main priority. Boys, I'm going. This is, Saka. Oh my god, you can tell because her eyes. She's like a zombie-ish. We have no time. We don't have no time. I got no time. Oh, someone got the key card off. Oh, snip. Snap. Yet. Bet. Okay, so the hammer is on that room. Okay, hold up. I need to retrace my steps. Okay, so hammer's in here. Tell me the hammer's in here. Please tell me the hammer is in here. Woo! What? No way. Right, I smell about the hammer. The heater. We escaping for good? We out. That was an easy level. Finally, the train is working now. Buddy, are you alright? Mr. P gave me a potion. I drank it. You stupid. I'm joking. This is her moment. I didn't know it would turn me into... Oh, no! Into one of them. like the piggies that we just saw. You can still come with me. We can find him. Voice crack. No, you need to go without me. Once again, turn off. Oh, look how sad she looks. Go now. I'll hold these monsters off for as long as I can. No, to sacrifice. You will be honored. Well, goodbye, buddy. What do you mean just goodbye? No, I'm dragging on the train no matter what. Good luck, Rise Small 10179. What a player. Oh, what the heck? Wow, that was actually pretty cool. Okay. Ooh, infection. Now we're gonna play our boys. No, we're gonna bot. Infection. Let's go, infection, boys. So, infection. Okay, so looks like we're on the same map, same story mode, but it's infected. So I think when one person gets infected, we don't die immediately. We guess we turn into one of them. So guys, let's go see what we have to do since it. Oh, he's the crossbow already. Oh, loaded. What loaded? Huh? What's this? Orange key. I don't know if we need it. Crap. Okay, so the red key goes there. Oh my gosh, that looks horrifying. Boys, be right. Where'd he go? Okay, boys, be out. I am playing with one of my YouTube friends. This guy behind me, he is one of my YouTube friends. Or, real friends. What the? Okay. Is it Piggy? Oh, it's Piggy. Okay. He's a blue key. Go for it. Go. Ah, crap. Green key, let's go. Boys, we got green key. Let's go. Where's that go to? Okay, so that key card. We don't know where that leads to. What is that? The hell is that? Oh, I don't need that, so I know what that is for. I'm not being alone. Get back here. I'm scared. So we need those gold coins back there. Okay, I know where to go. We know those gold coins that I didn't get earlier. Okay, we need those. Those are our priority. Oh! Okay, now great. Now I have to become one of them. Sorry, boys, but it's just business. Great. Just great. I've lost my. I'm sorry. It's just. Oh, you can just crouch under that. I just realized. Dang, that guy looks crap. Okay, that person got turned into one, so I think it's just her now. Let's get her, boys. Oh, that's so scary. No! I'm so sorry. I had to end like this. Okay, now we're on the hunt for the last player. Well, that round was finished. Looks like the infected won. Now, what is this for? Shop. Oh, little brother, father, biscuit. Memories bring back memories, bring back good. There's a time where I remember. Ooh, an angel. Oh, that is disgusting. Go back to the angel one. Ah, yeah. Even though it looks really scary. Oh, soldier, yes, sir. Okay. Well, I think that's gonna do it for today's Robbie. That's gonna do it for today's video. While you guys are watching this video, I'll be in another round. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.